Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka I See You Glam, and we are back with a little bit of a calmer video today. Wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite ways that I stay healthy and keep my immune system up to tip-top shape. I think this is perfect timing given the climate that we're in. I'm not a doctor by any means, but these are things that I've been doing and been practicing, and I feel may really help someone out there, may help you guys, and not for nothing, it tastes really good. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my orange ginger lemon turmeric smoothie recipe. It is heavenly, to die for, fabulous, great. It is super packed with antioxidants and vitamins and things that are great for your body to help your body fight diseases and sicknesses and not just the common cold and just common germs and things that we face every single day. So I wanted to share with you guys my favorite mix. It sounds a little bit daunting and it may sound a little bit eerie, the turmeric, the ginger, the lemon, but trust me, it is quite lovely and very simple to make. So without further ado, let's get it cracking. But before we head into the video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you thumbs up the video if you love it, thumbs it down if you don't, and tell a friend, tell a sister, a cousin, your auntie, your best friend, your baby father, your mother, tell everybody to pull up, because you're finna get it cracking. Alright, let's roll. So I make this recipe using about 5 or 6 very simple ingredients, and I'll show you exactly what they are. All you need to make this fresh recipe are 1 fresh orange, a fresh lemon, some fresh turmeric, some fresh ginger, and I may or may not use some sweetener, organic blue agave. So the first thing you want to do is wash your fruits, of course, especially your ginger and your turmeric. I use my ginger and turmeric skin on, so meaning I will use the outer part. So I really want to scrub, wash, and disinfect them. I sometimes use a fruit and veggie wash, but in this case I didn't have any, so I won't use any. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. We'll get these washed. The next step is we'll use our ginger and our turmeric and boil up a sort of tea. I'll show you guys exactly how. So you take your ginger, and I'm not going to use all of this, so I'm just going to cut off what I need. Probably, and I eyeball this. I like it very gingery, so I'll cut off the sort of nubby areas that just aren't really pleasing to my eye. And then we'll take the turmeric. I'll probably cut this into a couple more pieces, actually, the ginger. I have my ginger. Now I'll take my turmeric. These are already tiny, but I'm still just gonna chop it in half. Get this one a little bit more. And then I'll take my lemon. Then I'll take a pot, and I'm gonna fill this pot with water. I'd say about just over 1.5 cups. Then I'm gonna add all my ingredients. My lemon slices, my turmeric, and my ginger. Now we'll let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, while that's boiling, you can take your orange, and just take off that sticker. And you're gonna prep your orange for the actual smoothie. So just cut off my ends. Oh, this is a grapefruit. I forgot. Anyways, this is a grapefruit, but we'll pretend this is an orange for video purposes. I totally should have known that. I was not thinking. I knew this was a grapefruit. Anywho, actually it might not be a bad taste. Try something new. But ordinarily I would use an orange, but for the video, we'll use a grapefruit because I don't think I have any more oranges in the house. Not the time. Okay guys, my ginger lemon tea is boiling in the back there, right there. But I wanted to just share with you guys. So obviously you saw that I didn't have an orange. Mistakenly took my grapefruit for an orange. I knew it was a grapefruit. I knew it was a grapefruit. But as I was planning to film this, I saw it and just thought, oh yes, orange. No more oranges in the house. Wanted to show you guys that when life throws you grapefruits, you just continue to make your smoothie, okay? And you improvise with some orange juice. So you will see me in my mix use some Tropicana no pulp orange juice just because it's what I had in the house. And this just goes to show you guys that as you're making the smoothie, you can make any accommodations that you need. You don't need to go out and buy everything that I'm using just because it's what I'm using. Obviously, even the things I normally use, I can improvise and do without and still make it pop. The only key things I say make sure you have really are the ginger, the turmeric, and the lemon. Other than that, feel free to play around with it. I like the oranges because it adds that sweetness to it, which is why I'm going to use the orange juice, but also because oranges naturally are high in calcium, vitamin C, and antioxidants, and they're really good for you. So that's why I like to use oranges, but no sweat, baby. We got the next best thing. Let's get back to the smoothie. Our goods have boiled. We are going to start our smoothie. So take my blender cup and I'm gonna add to it probably 4 pieces of the grapefruit. And then I'm going to fish out my ginger and turmeric pieces from the little tea we've stewed. And I'm gonna use the water from our tea brew as the liquid for the smoothie as well. So then any remaining tea I'll just drink on its own later. I'm gonna add the orange juice just a bit. Then we are all ready to blend. And there we have it. Our smoothie is done. So it may be too gingery for some, it may be too turmeric-y for some. If it is, you can always add more orange juice. I am gonna pour some in a glass to show you guys what I typically, like I was saying, I am just gonna pour some in a glass to show you guys what I would typically drink in the morning. Not too much, really, like that much. So this will last me like throughout the week. I have a little bit like this. Then when I'm ready to drink it, I'll take my agave, my sweetener, and I'll put about close to a tablespoon, not full, teaspoon, tablespoon. Mix it up. And that's it. That's our, came out so good. That's our immunity tonic. Ooh, the grapefruit did something. And it's the prettiest like orangey color. So cute, so good for you. Your fruits and your veggies and your vitamins and your minerals are super important to your diet, so make sure you're getting them in, whether it's in smoothie form, salads, whether it's in stir fry, however you're making your fruits and veggies, and make sure you're getting them in. It is super important. And that's all I have to share with you guys today. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was fun. Cooking with Chloe. If you're interested and you like these kind of things, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Cheers.